All fast. All fast. Mooring operation completed. The ship is all fast at berth number 4. All hands. All hands. Entire crew. All hands on deck for emergency stations. Elision. Elision. Impact with a stationary object. The ship's insurance covered the elision with the key. Alleyway. Alleyway. Passage inside the ship. Do not block the alleyway with any equipment. Aloft. Aloft. Above deck level. The cadet is working aloft on the radar platform. Alongside. Alongside. Position next to a ship or berth. The tanker is moored alongside the terminal. Amidships. Amidships. Middle part of the vessel. Put the rudder amidships. AMVER. AMVER. Automated Mutual Assistance Vessel Rescue System. Send the position report to AMVER every 24 hours. Anemometer. Anemometer. Instrument measuring wind speed. Check the anemometer to record the wind speed in the logbook. Aneroid barometer. Aneroid barometer. Instrument measuring air pressure. The aneroid barometer shows a rapid drop in pressure, suggesting a storm. Anchor. Anchor. Device to secure vessel to seabed. We will drop the anchor in the designated anchorage area.